forget Z-Image. This new open source beast, Boogu Image, is what you actually need. We're talking ultra-sharp renders, flawless text, and insane editing that completely destroys the competition. But is it actually that good in real-world tests? Let's find out right now. Hello everyone, I'm Sotai, welcome back to my channel. Today, we've got our hands on a brand new image generation model called Boogu Image. According to the developers, this thing completely outperforms most open source competitors out there right now, like Z-Image or Image, and the quality even comes incredibly close to Nano Banana Pro. Sounds super promising, right? That's why in today's video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step walkthrough on how to build the Boogu workflow in ComfyUI. And most importantly, we're going to put it head-to-head with Z-Image Turbo to see if this newcomer is truly a massive hit worth trying out. All right, enough talking. Smash that like button for me, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get straight into it. All right, before we dive deep and tear this workflow apart, let me give you a quick intro to Boogu Image for those who are new to it. First up, the creators. This is an incredibly high-quality open-source research project developed by the Boogu team, a group of brilliant developers out of China, released under the Apache 2.0 license. This means you are completely free to experiment with it, set it up locally, and even use it for commercial projects absolutely for free. What makes this model truly special is that the dev team didn't rely on massive infinite budget datasets like the big closed-source giants. Instead, they focused on deep optimization, boosting the text encoder's comprehension to a whole new level, while fine-tuning on a dataset 10 times smaller than usual. Thanks to this smart approach, Boogu Image delivers incredibly powerful image generation and editing capabilities. Just check out the stunning showcases the team is displaying on screen right here. Looks absolutely amazing, right? Now, without further ado, let's get our hands dirty and build a rock-solid Boogu workflow in ComfyUI to see if its real-world performance is as mind-blowing as the demos suggest. All right, step number one is always getting our environment prepped and ready to roll. The best part about running Boogu Image is that you don't have to mess around with any complex custom nodes. Everything you need is supported natively right out of the box in ComfyUI. All you need to do is make sure your ComfyUI is updated to the absolute latest version, download the necessary model files, and drop them into their respective folders. Right now, the dev team offers a few different flavors of this model, ranging from the base, turbo, and edit versions to lightweight quantized models optimized to run smoothly on lower-end hardware. For today's video, we're going to put the turbo version to the test. This is the one everyone in the community is buzzing about because of its blistering render speeds. As for Boogu Edit, which is dedicated specifically to image editing, I'll be dropping a separate inside look video on that very soon, so stay tuned. And of course, we'll be running the hotfix version that the team pushed to Hugging Face just a few days ago. It has been highly optimized, squashing several annoying little bugs and delivering a massive leap in final output quality compared to day one. Like always, I've compiled every single download link and the exact folder directory layouts in a super detailed guide over on my Patreon. You can just head over there, grab what you need, and set it all up in a breeze. And here is our Boogu workflow. Honestly, there isn't too much complex stuff to explain with this setup, especially if you guys are already super familiar with the workflows for Flux, Krea, or Z-Image. The only major difference you need to keep in mind is that we have to load the supporting models absolutely perfectly, everything from the text encoder to its specialized VAE file, to ensure the colors and details pop exactly the way they're supposed to. Also, here's a crucial pro tip for this turbo version. You absolutely must set the CFG scale to exactly 1. If you try to crank up the CFG like you would with standard models, your output images will instantly get blown out, deep fried, and incredibly pixelated. And that is literally it. Just like that, you have a complete, fully functional Boogu Image text-to-image workflow running buttery smooth. Super quick and clean, right? Now, without keeping you guys guessing any longer, let's jump straight into the real-world testing and see how this thing actually performs on render quality. To give you guys the most objective and visual side-by-side comparison of Boogu Image's actual performance, I'm going to put it head-to-head with two of the most popular contenders in the game right now, Z-Image Turbo and Flux Krea. And of course, to keep things 100% fair, every single test is going to run on the exact same baseline, identical prompts, matching resolutions, and the exact same seed values, just like what you're seeing live on screen right now. Everything is locked and loaded, so let's see how Boogu Image Turbo actually stacks up. Let's dive into our very first test, skin texture rendering, a feature that almost every AI image enthusiast pays close attention to. For this challenge, I asked all three models to render a close-up portrait of a girl wearing a turtleneck sweater inside a professional studio. At first glance, all three outputs look gorgeous, but to spot the real differences, we need to zoom in and focus heavily on the texture and realism of the skin. First, let's look at the result from Boogu Image. Honestly, this is incredibly impressive. If you zoom keying into the cheeks and forehead area, you can easily spot tiny, natural-looking skin pores beautifully distributed under the studio lights. Even the lips are handled with amazing realism, showing delicate lines and texture without looking muddy or having that artificial plastic vibe. Right next to it is Z-Image Turbo. It looks like this model leaned towards rendering an Asian aesthetic. To be objective, the raw, gritty details on the skin surface with Z-Image are actually a bit more defined, and the contrast between highlights and shadows on the face is separated exceptionally well, giving the portrait an incredibly dynamic, living feel. Lastly, with Flux One Krea, the skin leans heavily toward a smoothed-out beauty filter look. Although it tries to inject realism by throwing in some freckles, the overall face feels a bit flat and misses that raw, organic vibe you get from an authentic studio photograph. Alright, if that first result still leaves you a bit skeptical, let's put them to the test immediately in a completely different setting. This time, I've asked the models to generate a rugged, weathered guy sitting out on a porch bathed in the warm gloss of a golden hour sunset. Let's take a close look at the details. In this run, Boogu Image completely turns the tables and does an absolute phenomenal job. You can see an incredibly rich and organic density of skin details, from tiny blemishes and subtle moles to the textured, rugged look on the male chest. Everything is captured beautifully under the low-angled evening light. Meanwhile, with Z-Image Turbo, the character's facial skin looks slightly soft and lacks that razor-sharp definition you'd want in a close-up shot of this style. On the bright side, the skin on the body is still rendered with decent detail, capturing those tiny peach fuzz hairs catching the sunset light perfectly. As for Flux One Krea, well, its performance remains consistently flat. The guy's face is heavily smoothed out, looking like it went through a heavy-handed beauty filter app. It's safe to say it easily trails behind the other two models in this round. Summing up this first round of testing, I'm giving both Boogu Image and Z-Image a solid 8 out of 10 for their highly natural and pleasing realism, while Flux One Krea lands a 6 out of 10. Moving on to our second test, we're going to dissect a notorious challenge that I know is on every creator's mind: hand render quality and structure. To keep our evaluation as fair as possible, I ran a massive batch of samples testing different hand poses, scaling all the way from easy to extremely complex. The very first thing that caught me off guard was just how incredibly consistent Boogu Image is when it comes to rendering proper skeletal hand structures. When you look closely at the details, you'll notice that both Z-Image Turbo and Flux One Krea tend to automatically play it safe on complex prompts. They often default to simpler hand placements to keep their error rates low. Boogu Image, however, shows some serious muscle here. It directly tackles and delivers exactly what's requested in the prompt without sacrificing correct human anatomy. Just check out this clear example on screen for the prompt requesting a girl resting her chin on her hand. Boogu Image is the only model that accurately renders the physical weight-bearing pose of the hand propping up the chin. The other two competitors simply default to lightly placing the fingers against the cheek to avoid rendering the complex joint compression. In another test requiring man's hands wrapped tightly around a baking roller, Flux One Krea completely misses the mark and places the hands in a physically impossible position. And to push the difficulty to the absolute limit, I tested a highly complex posture, a violinist playing their instrument. As you can see, Boogu Image maintains incredible control over the intricate finger joints, pressing down on the strings. It doesn't lose a single step against a detail powerhouse like Z-Image. Meanwhile, Flux One Krea starts to completely fall apart rendering a hand with missing fingers, as you can clearly see right here. When it comes to understanding physical motion and hand anatomy in complex high-stakes poses, Boogu Image does a phenomenal job. This is definitely a model you want to keep in your toolkit for scenarios like this. All right, now let's pivot to some of the highly exciting capabilities that the dev team proudly highlighted right on their homepage. First up is its ability to generate images packed with high-end artistic flair, fine art photography. To challenge the artistic intuition of these models, I threw a very practical scenario at them. To design a high-fashion magazine cover shot, just look at the results on the screen. In this test, Boogu Image completely blows the other two competitors out of the water. The image generated by Boogu boasts incredibly high contrast, with the lighting and colors perfectly styled to highlight the raw textures and structure of the outfit, which is the absolute core element of any high-ticket fashion cover. The most fascinating part is that while both rival models stuck to rendering standard realistic color photos, Boogu Image made a bold artistic move on its own. It transformed the shot into a stunning black and white monochrome masterpiece, even though I didn't mention anything about that in the prompt. This creative liberty didn't deviate from the prompt at all. Instead, it added incredible depth, a flawless composition, a striking subject, and that unmistakable high-fashion editorial vibe. Clearly, if you're working in content creation, visual design, or need high-concept artistic layouts, Boogu Image is a model you definitely need to test drive right away without a second thought. Continuing our testing journey, let's dive into a core feature highlighted on the homepage of Boogu, its ability to render flawless, highly accurate text directly inside images. To put this claim to the test, I challenged the models to design an advertisement for a carbonated soft drink can featuring a brand name called Zest. Take a look at the real-world results on screen right now. As you can see, Boogu Image's typographical rendering is on a completely different level. While Z-Image Turbo randomly added some strange Chinese-like characters in the corner, and Flux One Krea began distorting and melting the supporting text in the background, Boogu Image rendered the brand name Zest and all accompanying text perfectly, sharp and clean, down to every single curve of the font. But it doesn't just stop at getting the spelling right. Boogu's spatial design sense is equally remarkable. The way it centers the can reflects lighting off the metallic surface and frames the typography around the product, makes it look like a professional marketing asset designed by a seasoned graphic artist. For any project demanding precise text rendering or commercial poster layouts, I can confidently say that Boogu Image is easily one of the absolute best and most reliable options available right now. Okay, and now for the final test I want to show you guys today, its versatility in handling completely different art styles. Specifically, I challenged all three models to render images in two highly popular genres, anime and 3D concept art. The very first thing that jumps out at you is that Boogu Image delivers a much cleaner, crisper, and sharper output. But what truly sets it apart is the model's incredibly smart way of layering details. For example, look closely at the anime girl here. Just in the eyes alone, the window to the soul, Boogu has packed in so many layers of light reflections and sparkling color gradients that give it immense depth. Even the patterns and folds on the outfit are rendered with meticulous care. On the flip side, the other two models, while following the prompt, ended up with flat, overly simplified characters that lack any real personality. The same goes for this claymation fantasy world. Boogu Image automatically populates the scene with incredible, high-value details like colorful mushrooms, mystical flora, and magical glowing particles drifting through the air, making the entire frame look like a shot straight out of a high-budget animated film. Meanwhile, the outputs from Z-Image Turbo and Flux One Krea look rather bare, empty, and sterile. At this point, the developers' claims absolutely hold up. Boogu doesn't just deliver smooth and stable style transfers, it actually knows how to breathe life into the image, making your visual content look far more captivating, artistic, and incredibly creative. And that is how you build a complete, highly optimized Boogu Image workflow in ComfyUI, along with my most honest, real-world evaluation of this incredibly promising newcomer. I really hope watching this full breakdown helps you master all the hidden strengths of this model. If you found this video helpful, please smash that like button and share it around. It really helps the channel grow and brings more awesome content your way. Thank you so much for watching. It's been so tight, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.